Imagine a world where the microwave oven never existed. Families would resort to traditional cooking methods, spending much longer preparing meals, often over hot stoves. Leftovers would quickly turn unappetizing without the quick reheating capability, leading to increased food waste. Busy professionals would face more challenges balancing their schedules, impacting productivity at work. The convenience of a quick snack or meal anytime would be a luxury few could afford. Ultimately, the absence of the microwave oven would mark an undeniable shift in our culinary habits and lifestyles, reflecting a slower-paced world.